If the user is logged in and he goes to, for example, his channel, he will go directly to edit as designed, at the beginning. Now we will build a very simple, home page. Like for example, if I go to my YouTube, and we can see, for example, it will be look little bit like this one. We're just showing the videos here below. So just we're gonna enhance it. So I need one view basically for index. So let's jump to the code, and let me go to the web itself. So it'll be, we can build everything here, and inside the channel we used to have one for edit the channel. If we go edit, yep, I have edit channel here, but this one will be outside. I don't want to make it, so everyone can, for example, the watch, I think watch is watch. Yep, maybe under the watch also I can add this one. So it will be, get channels, and then we send the channel slug. Then we'll go to normal controller. It will be channel controller, and then this is a class home. The function will be index. This will be channel.index, the name channel.index. And if I jump to the controller, and I can build one method here, index, I will receive the channel and then pass it to the view. Very simple. So it will be channels.index. I'll pass the channel as compact channel. And one more thing, let's go to the views, and this is very simple blade. So it won't be under Livewire, it will be channel. So this is not channels, this will be channel. It will be channel, and then we can create index. Index.play.php. Let me copy the edit and go to the index, paste, and remove everything here. Let's see, start with maybe here channel name, a tag. So now let's see if we can make this one working. Basically, if I go, this is my channel, basically this is the slug. So if I say channels, and click, so it is working. So now when I click on this one, I want to change this one also in the layout. So in the layout, so app layout, say edit, and instead of going to edit, so this one will be index. So let's see if this is working. Fresh, yes, so it's working to index. So let's make some styles here. So in the index page, basically I will add something called jumbotron from Bootstrap. You can go to Bootstrap and just paste this one here. Yep, very simple class, jumbotron, fluid, and color is primary. And then I put, for example, I print only description and the name. And you go to Bootstrap jumbotron, just to show you from where I get that code. It's very simple. So this will be like a medium, but I took this one, which is fluid. It will go all the way. This is the code I copied and put it here. So if I go back to the code again and refresh, so it's much better look. Okay, so this is my channel, and below in the page itself, so I have a container. Inside container we can build one div. Inside div, I'll class dflex, and align item center. This will be for the logo and all these stuff, as you will see later. Center. Inside that one I have the image, which is basically again same thing. We have done this tens of times images, and then concatenate with channel image. We'll add few styles again. Class will be rounded circle and margin right 3. I'll add height, so it will be a little bit big, 130 pixel, and I'll add another div for the other information. So I'm going to just for simplicity, I will just paste it, the name and subscription counts, and that's it. So undefined subscription count under channel. So if I go to the channel and see what is it's subscribers, called subscribers, not subscription count. Okay, and let me refresh one more time. Yep, so I have one subscriber. This is my channel. If I log out and log in with another user, okay, and log in, okay, then again this one we might take it also again. The home of this one should be also, I think we can make it to this one, the channel itself. And if I'm logged in, I want to show, for example, from here, you know, edit or something, it will take me to the edit. So let me add this one, and then I can complete in the other video. So I have these items, and maybe we can add this one, div at auth. Okay, if I am authenticated and auth, or basically if I am the owner of the channel, if I'm the owner of the channel, then I'm able to see the edit basically.